Hi guys and welcome back to my channel after I don't know how many months and days because I am inconsistent and that's what my mother tells me all the time. Anyway, why is this? Because we are preparing for an event? No. Preparing for a wedding? No. We are preparing for a trip. And where is this trip going? The trip is going to Europe. Yes, we are going to Europe, me and Balash, and later on, few friends are joining. But it's a dream come true. हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से ट्रिप प्लान कर रहे थे where you know we wanted a trip कि किधर जाए मतलब we were planning somewhere in Turkey or we were planning Greece and things like that. But बीच में टर्की का बहुत कुछ हुआ and we thought कि maybe it's not a good time to go to Turkey. And Europe was always in cards, but it's so expensive, you know. But then we sat and we were like, अब नहीं तो कब? So we planned it. We firstly thought we'll do 12-day Italy trip, but I think that was not a good idea because you're spending so much money, so much time, so much effort, and you're going to just one country, whereas you can explore a few more. So now we are going to multiple countries. So we are doing 5 countries in 13 days. So I thought this is a good time to start or like to resume doing vlogs because it's gonna be so beautiful. So come with me, you know, through the entire trip. Right now we have 3 days. So I'm gonna start doing last minute things like doing my nails, doing the packing, doing some of this. But I'm so excited and I hope all the videos go live. But ऐसे बात करने में मुझे अब थोड़ा सा uncomfortable हो रहा है. So we'll go and let's go to Europe. Hi guys, so it's the last day before I go on a long leave. It has been so hectic because so many pre-prep for all the clients and everything, and I didn't get back after I said I am doing my nails because she took 3 hours to do my nails because her finger was injured or something. But anyway, I'm going to office. My flight is technically tomorrow 4 a.m, which I'm scared about, but people honk a lot. स्कैरी पार्ट ये है कि कल हम रात को 3 बजे सोए हैं और मैं उठ गई हूँ और मेरा ट्रेन से जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था. सो आई टोल्ड माई कलीग्स कैन वी प्लीज़ बुक अ कैब बिकॉज इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव टू गो दैट फार. सो दे हैव बुक्ड अ कैब एंड आई एम वेटिंग फॉर देम. आई थिंक दे मस्ट बी हियर. लेट्स सी. Is it not a picture? Guys, you are in my channel and we are stuck in traffic. Ooh, transition. Sorry, I'm just sleep deprived. ये देखो ट्रिप की पहले क्या क्या हो गया. कल वो पार्लर वाली ने ऐसा मूंछ निकालने की कोशिश की है मेरी.
इन्वेस्टेड है उसकी वीडियो में.
वो लाल लाल हो गए कि यहाँ पे वो दाग दे के चली गई. ए डॉबरमैन ऐसे मूव नहीं कर.
नहीं बहुत सुंदर है ये. हाँ, सिनेमैटिक. हिलना हो तुम्हें बताओ. Yeah, very good chicken. आपको चाहिए chicken या हाँ.
अरे मेरे ब्लॉग में मत बोलो यार ये सब. ऑफिस से आके लास्ट मिनट पैकिंग करके आई गॉट ड्रेस्ड एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वाज वेयरिंग. वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड कवर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द एसी. और ये लास्ट मिनट कैब बुकिंग. आई थिंक इस समय कुछ रात के 12:30 बज रहे थे एंड वी थॉट जल्दी ही चले जाते हैं ताकि थोड़ा चिल कर लें. started off with the East Side Gallery, one of the longest open galleries in the world, filled with murals on the Berlin Wall. And honestly, just by this time, I was stunned by how clean, fresh, and amazing everything looked around me. Imagine a breezy wind from the lake and a talented singer performing live, ducks swimming peacefully, and you're just sitting by the lake enjoying the sunset. Absolutely incredible.
I don't wanna slow down. I just wanna speed it up, speed it up. I don't wanna stop now. I just wanna keep moving forward.
This was the view of Berlin from the top. I don't remember the exact spot where I took it, but just look at that. We explored a bit more and then came near our hotel. This is the night view of Berlin, and oh my god, the sun set literally at 10 pm, and just like that, day one was over. Day two started with this tiny buddy. We went to the Natural History Museum, and oh my god, the way they preserved animals and birds, it was literally unreal. The birds, especially, looked extremely creepy, but they were so real at the same time, you know what I mean? They even had preserved fishes, and the highlight was like real dinosaur bone structure from history. मुझे usually ये सब इतना पसंद नहीं आता है, but वहाँ जाके I was so stunned looking at, you know, animals and the history and everything. It was something definitely
Next stop
everyone
was
should go.
the Jewish Memorial. वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा we just walked. It's free. You can just go like that. And then comes the best part, which is this Pride Parade. The freedom, the acceptance, and literally lakhs of people together. People were dressed in different kind of costumes and painted and whatnot. बहुत ही unforgettable experience था.
फिर वहाँ से हम the most famous Berlin Dome गए, which was so beautiful, so giant. हम अंदर गए, and under the church or the cathedral, I don't know, I'm not sure, but it was incredibly beautiful. We even went on the top, and the view was just breathtaking. And yeah, I mean, it was nice. पूरे यूरोप में ऐसे talented लोग हर जगह दिखते हैं. Just enjoy this music. We sat for a while, made few calls, and just soaked in the moment.
So, we are in Europe, and it has been crazy. मैं ज़्यादा शूट नहीं कर पाई when I was there in Bombay. So जो भी glimpse आपको दिखेंगे वो थोड़े बहुत टूटे फूटे, but you know I've tried to stitch them together. I have finally gotten time to speak and tell you all about it. The thing is that पहले तो it was a chaos, you know, trying to wrap up work for 15 days and then packing and then a lot of chaos. So जितना shoot हो सका उतना किया. फिर and then the flight was really tiring. It was a 13-hour flight. Beach में Doha was the layover, and again 6 hours to Berlin. But बहुत अच्छी flight थी because properly they made us, you know, eat, and constantly there was food, so it was less tiring. But still रात भर की flight थी, so we got really tired. And then we reached Berlin, and now I'm all excited to shoot, but मेरा storage खत्म हो गया फ़ोन का, एंड आई नो वॉट यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि प्लान क्यों नहीं किया पहले से, बट ट्रस्ट मी मैंने प्लान किया था, विच इज़ वाई आई आस्क्ड पलाश टू शेयर हिज 2 TB फैमिली डेटा विथ मी एंड ही डिड दैट एंड आई एक्सेप्टेड इट एंड आई थॉट कि बस हो गया. बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स द वे. आई थिंक इट नीड्स लाइक रात भर का टाइम और लाइक फ्यू आवर्स एट लीस्ट कि सारा iCloud में सेव हो जाए. तो वो नहीं हुआ, तो मैं कुछ भी शूट नहीं कर पाई, बोलने वाला स्पेशली. तो मैं जितना भी बर्लिन का सुंदर सुंदर मोन्टाजेस ले सकती थी मैंने वो लिया. एंड देन finally when Berlin was done and we were coming here to Prague, which is the second destination, which is where I am right now. तो मैंने बस में बैठा, मतलब बैठी और मैं like I went through it properly and मैंने देखा कि कैसे इसको ठीक किया जा सकता है. Hopefully now I have deleted around 30 GB of data. Palash's iCloud I don't think is still working, but now we have space. So yeah, now I'm going to do more chatty videos. And Berlin was amazing. बहुत crazy चीज़ ये थी कि we got to attend the Pride Parade, which was completely occasional and it was so nice. Oh my god. I also met my friend's sister who lives there, so even that was very nice. But now we are in Prague and I shall just stop talking and show you the view from our room. As you can see, the room is beautiful. It's huge. Last time Berlin ka room was like really tiny because वही मिल रहा था main area में, and Palash likes to book in like the proper central area, so वहाँ पे we could take that. So the area was really nice, but the room was small. Now we have a bigger room and the view, oh my god. आज हम प्राग में हैं, कल भी हम प्राग में हैं और उसके बाद हम तीसरी लोकेशन जाएंगे. Whatever. Let's go. So this was the view, and I mean not exactly, but यही view था क्योंकि I will just show you कि ये पूरा main area और ये हमारा hotel है. So we casually started our day. कोई plan नहीं था as such itinerary. एक दो चीज़ें ही थी, so बस street explore कर रहे थे. There were too many cafes, where to eat, where not to eat. वो तो हर मील का ही discussion रहता है. But yeah, it was really pretty. And then we moved forward to the main square and just look at it. I mean, then made very impromptu plan of watching ballet and opera. It's day 2 in Prague and I'm just doing my makeup. I'm very excited because we are going to Prague Castle. We are going to that bridge, forgot the name, but जहाँ पे Rockstar के 2-3 scenes हैं. So I'm gonna try and take like beautiful picture. I'm gonna try तो क्या मतलब, Palash needs to try. तो मैंने उसको पहले से डिस्क्लेमर दे दिया that we're gonna spend a lot of time taking pictures today on that bridge. Oh, let's see. I'm hopeful. The dress is very pretty today. I'm probably gonna get ready with me in this. But मैं इतनी confused हो जाती हूँ क्योंकि YouTube के लिए मुझे landscape shoot करना पड़ता है और sorry वो क्या होता है यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी सीन तो फील करता है. My hair is not because I don't know, I'm just going to do it. और आप लोग ये सकते हो also you can wash area. I need to take but मैं लगा लूँगी. So yes, Prague is very beautiful. कल हम अपने होटल एरिया के पास ही थे एंड ये ही एरिया है जहाँ सब आते हैं घूमने के लिए. तो हमने पूरा दिन यहीं एक्सप्लोर किया. तो शॉपिंग की जगह है गए बट शॉप नहीं किया. टुडे मी एंड पलाश हमने डिसाइड किया कि 1 घंटा वो अपनी चीज़ करेगा और 1 घंटा मैं अपनी चीज़ करूँगी, विच इज़ शॉपिंग. So let's see how that goes. But yesterday we also saw opera and ballet and that musical together. And oh my god, क्या grace था सबके talent में, especially when swans की तरह वो ballet dancers आई. They were dressed in white and they were just like vision to the eyes. सो या ये गेट रेडी विथ मी का प्रोसेस तो काफ़ी लंबा चलेगा बिकॉज मुझे टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा. लेट्स गो एंड एन्जॉय डे 2 इन प्राग. This was the first stop. This was a moving head, but ये बीच में move होता है, so at that time it wasn't. Then of course we got a gelato, but ये उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. I didn't like it. फिर हम same square गए because we thought, I mean Palash thought कि history को अगर जानेंगे तो you know things will just make more sense. So we hired a guide and he was telling everything about the structure and how it's made and when was it made, and actually it did make a lot of more sense. And it started raining, and look at Prague when it rains.
with you, being with you. 'Cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace.
Then जब बारिश रुकी we went to Jewish museum, which was a little disturbing because it was about Hitler and how he killed Jews back at that time, but also kind of very interesting to know. This was the cemetery that Jews were, you know. And then we went to Prague.
Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going.
So today started with an impromptu Prague tour, okay, as I told you before. And in that tour, the guide told us about a Jewish museum, which sounded very interesting. And we couldn't go in Berlin, so we decided to go there. And we thought we will do Prague Castle, which is like the most touristy and the most amazing part of Prague. But guess what? We got late and it shut. इंटरनेट पे लिखा हुआ था इट्स ओपन टिल 10, बट द मेन गेट वाज ओपन टिल 10, जो कासल के अंदर जाने का है. एंड देन द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कासल इज क्लोज्ड. So day 2 is over. We're officially done with Prague. We are going tomorrow, and it was a great day, although we missed one thing which we regret, but no regrets. We came back from Prague Castle. We went to see this dancing house, which was disappointment, but anyway, we came back and I wanted to shop a little bit because हम बिल्कुल मार्केट के मिडिल में थे, and there were shops like Zara and H&M and Primark, and there was this one shop called New Yorker and they had sale going on. तो मुझे लगा मुझे तो करनी है, and then we decided कि Palash is going to give me 1 hour my time and take his 1 hour time and do things that we want to do. So I went, I shopped some really good basics for like as cheap as like 250-300 rupees. And then we ate dinner and we came back. Now the problem is कि हमारी फ्लाइट है सुबह 6 बजे की, एयरपोर्ट है 1 घंटा दूर, और अभी बज रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट 12. तो अब हमें उठना है विदिन 2 आवर्स, वो भी तब अगर नींद आ गई तो. एंड सो Palash is speaking about it, but I am still fine because एक बार और कर चुके हैं. And when I'm mentally prepared, I'm a little less chaotic and more calm. So let's see. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I think I've covered Berlin and Prague both in this. From tomorrow on, we are going to be in Italy. We are landing in Venice, and from there we do Florence, we do Rome, we do Amalfi, we do Capri and all of that. So it's going to be Italy, and there will be one destination left at the last that probably I'm gonna make or not make vlog about. Let's see. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm truly grateful for this experience that I'm getting, and I hope that you also liked the vlog and the little travel vlogging that I did. So much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in Italy.